Elevate your Instagram profile with stunning story highlights that keep your best moments alive. Start by navigating to your profile page and tapping the plus icon under your bio to create a new highlight. Browse your archived stories and select the ones you'd like to group together for this highlight. Don't limit yourself a circumflex euros. Pick as many as you want. Once you've made your selections, tap Next to proceed to the editing stage. Now give your highlight a catchy title that reflects its theme, like adventures or style. You can also choose a cover image from your selected stories or pick from a library of icons to match your profile's unique look. Hit Done, and your new highlight will appear on your profile. To make any changes later, just press and hold the highlight and select Edit Highlight. Story highlights are a powerful tool for organizing your content, sharing your passions, and making your profile much more engaging for your followers. Get creative and let your best stories shine.